down at the river, rust and paint on my hands. Got this busted old camper taken apart in the sand.
Walls falling sideways, screws and splinters at my feet. I see a doorway in the dust where our little world can meet.
Down at the river, I'm tearing it down till the walls fall to the ground. I'll build a new camper, slow and steady for you, for my beauty Bradley and every board, every screw.
We'll lay our heads in that quiet place, cherish every breath,
Every warm embrace, whisper about tomorrow till the dark turns red. Watch sunrise and sunsets from our homemade bed.
you're laughing barefoot, tracking mud across the frame. Hand me a hammer, say, put my name in the grain. Yeah,
I trace a heart in the sawdust where our pillow's gonna go. I feel the weight of every promise in the way your eyes glow. Oh, down at the river, I'm tearing it down till the walls fall to the ground. I'll build a new camper, slow and steady for you, for my beauty Bradley and every board, every screw. We'll lay our heads in that quiet place, cherish every breath, every warm embrace, whisper about the future till the stars all fade. Watch sunrise and sunsets on the life we made. If the road gets rough, if the nights get cold, we got a little rolling heaven, built from broken, built from mold. Every mile, every moment, every prayer we send above, in this river-born shelter, we will live our endless love. Down at the river, I'm tearing it down till the walls fall to the ground. I'll build a new camper, strong and shining for you, for my beauty Bradley sunsets as our story